Dictation starts in 5 seconds. Start. This criminal appeal has been preferred by the appellant state against the judgment and order dated 10th February 2000, passed by the learned Additional Sessions Judge, Greater Mumbai, in Sessions Case number 409 of 1985, whereby respondent oblique accused were acquitted of the charges under section 307 read with 34 of the Indian Penal Code, for short IPC. However, while granting the leave to appeal, this court was pleased to grant leave to appeal only against respondent number 1 oblique accused number 1. Para. Briefly stated, the prosecution case is that at the relevant time, the informant was serving in Godrej Limited, Vikhroli East as a helper. His father was also working as a watchman in the Godrej and Boys Manufacturing Company Private Limited, Vikhroli. According to prosecution, there was only one labor union under the name of All India Godrej Soaps Federation Limited. The management committee of the said union had decided to bring Bharatiya Kamgar Sena as a labor trade union, and so on 10th of July, it being a payment day, informant and the other members took membership fees of rupees 15 each from the workers and were noting the names of the members on the separate paper, as they wanted to see how many members were interested to bring the said union. Para. The prosecution next contended that accused Vijay, also a worker of the company, noticed their activities, and informer Shri Kotwal, general factory manager of the company, who summoned informant and took over the paper on which the names of the workers were written. The prosecution alleged that even A1 Vijay and two other workers had been to informant and threatened him with assault because of collection of fees in the company premises. Para. The prosecution then alleged that on 22/7/1984 at about 11:45 p.m. or so, the informant heard somebody knocking the door. The informant also heard the voice. On this, informant's father enquired as to who was calling. On this, one Mr. Patade was told to have come to see informant from outside. The informant's father then switched on the lights of the middle room and bathroom and opened the door. His father again made inquiries with the person standing in the compound as to who is he, to which he replied to be Mr. Patade. He and his mother also got up, and while watching towards compound side, informant noticed A1 Vijay giving blow of knife on the right side chest portion of his father. His father shouted when another person came from the outside of the compound and gave a blow of knife to his father's left side chest. As a result, the informant's father lost the balance and fell down in the compound. Evan was also challenging the informant to come out, but his father did not allow him to go out. Because of the shouts of informant's father and his family members, the neighbors got up, but by the time the assailants ran away, the informant and the family members took the father to the Vikroli police station. From there, he was shifted to Rajawadi Hospital for further treatment. Over.